on going on. You keep on going. Always, never lose hope. Kasi kakayanin niya, no matter what.
I love you. Hindi kasi kami ganun eh. Hindi kami yung nagsasalabihan ng I love you, mahal kita, ganun. Cringe. So, yun.
Lahat ng gusto mong gawin is nagawa mo. And at the same time,
yung experiences
think you're doing and through,
Then,
it's gonna be a global thing, and all the struggles that you've been through, worth it yun sa kung ano mangyayari in the future para sa inyo.
yeah, happy birthday, Josh.
I hope na masaya ka sa concert mo ngayon and syempre, pinakaunang concert mo yan as a solo artist din. So, I'm sure na sobrang saya mo. Isa yan sa mga hindi mo makakalimutan. Gusto lang kita i-good luck lagi sa lahat ng mga achievement na makakamit mo in the future and makakamit mo ngayon. Gusto lang namin makita yung success mo sa kung ano man pinapangarap mo. So, ayun, God bless with that and pagpatuloy mo lang mga ginagawa mo.
For Josh, I know you're doing great and I know you're very happy doing your solo career as a solo artist, and I know marami ka pong plans for yourself and of course sa mga supporters mo and for your family din. So sana lahat yan magawa mo. Basta continue on the things that you love to do and lagi mong isipin din yung sarili mo, mag-ingat ka palagi and yung health mo. So ayun, for your concert, do your best and good luck. Congratulations, Calvin.
Josh, magtimpi ka lang kasi mahirap na pag naputol yung kadena.
Yeah, sana makita mo yung kung nasan ka na ngayon because of those things. Pero wag mo lang kakalimutan nga na it's okay na hindi maging perfect.
Pero siya linya sa kanta niya yung Simi, parang yung You Built Me 10 Feet Tall. I mean, nakakatuwa lang na parang yun, syempre, nandyan yung mga supporters, yung fans namin.
The way you see me, the way you